Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is the Preamble of Indian Constitution. It is based on Objectives Resolution drafted and moved by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 added three new words to the preamble. They are socialist, secular and integrity. There are four components in the preamble. First is source of authority. The preamble derives its authority from the people of India. Second, nature of Indian state. Preamble declares India to be sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republican polity. Next, objectives. They are justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Fourth is date of adoption of the constitution. It is November 26, 1949. Now, let us see the nature of Indian state. The word sovereign implies that India is neither a dependency nor a dominion of any other nation but an independent state. Next, Indian brand of socialism is a democratic socialism. It holds faith in mixed economy where both public and private sectors coexist side by side. Next, Indian constitution embodies the positive concept of secularism, that is, all religions in our country have the same status and support from the state. Next, our democratic polity is based on doctrine of popular sovereignty, that is, possession of supreme power by the people. Also, the term republic in our preamble indicates that India has an elected head called the president. He is elected indirectly for a fixed period of 5 years. The other key terms in preamble are justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, fraternity consisting of dignity of individual and unity and integrity of nation. Now let us see a previous year question based on this. Which one of the following objectives is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India? A. Liberty of thought. B. Economic liberty. C. Liberty of expression. D. Liberty of belief. Our preamble gives the liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, not the economic liberty. So the correct answer is B. Economic liberty. Thank you.